Markets in Europe are trading higher this morning, with the UK's FTSE 100 index currently up around about 35 points. And the Euro Stoxx 50 index higher by 15 points. The DAX in Germany is up around about 46 points at the moment. In the currency space, the US dollar is gaining ground against its rivals. The euro isn't doing too bad either. In the commodity space, gold is giving back those gains it made yesterday, currently down around about $6. And when it comes to core government bonds, UK gilts and German bonds are tracking lower at the moment. Preferred bond yields are behaving themselves as relatively calm in that market. Good morning, I'm Ishaq, Siddiqi, and welcome to your daily market bite. I'm going to give you a quick idea of what's going on in financial markets today. So we had a strong session overnight in the US and in Asia. It was a follow-on in Asia, so it's feeding through into the European session this morning. The big driver behind this is news out from Washington that we may be close to getting a deal between the Republicans and the Democrats on how to extend the debt ceiling, to increase it until February 2014. It seems to be a bit of a kick in the can down the road exercise. They're not really addressing the issue at the moment. They're leaving it until a later date. But it does mean that we won't see a US default, which has been the key word for investors. And at the same time, we have to remember that it also means we will not see the Federal Reserve take asset purchases anytime soon either. So when it comes to the whole issue of the US government and the shutdown that's currently in place, we may see the shutdown start the US government open the shutdown to recede that may be coming to an end at some point. Much now depends on the House of Representatives. The Senate is far more unified on this recent deal. However, it needs to go to Representatives, House of Representatives first before they can approve it, and then after that we should see a firm deal on the cards. If that's the case, the default scenario will be diverted for now. Again, the issue will have to be addressed sometime in February 2014, but the US Treasury will not be pulling out money and will have enough cash to pay the bills. Alright, going on to what's going on in Europe this morning, we have UK inflation numbers, CPI coming out, expected to moderate to around 2.6%. Now, a moderation in inflation will be positive for the UK economy and for the Bank of England. They've set their forward guidance thresholds for the inflation target at around about 2%, and have put a lot of reliance on inflation remaining below 2.5%. So the inflation outlook should be positive if we see moderation. Also, we've got the German ZEW survey, which is a key indicator about the health of German business and consumer sentiment, and we're expecting a bit of an uptick on that side. Continuing on with the theme of strong economic growth out of the Eurozone. Finally, we have the Empire State manufacturing numbers out from the US. It's an independent agency, so although the US government shutdown is currently in place, the Empire State will continue reporting, and we're expected to see a decent number out from there. On the corporate side, Perky just reported strong numbers, coming in about 14% higher in revenues year on year. The big news, however, is that their CEO, Angela Ahrendts, is stepping down, and that's after 10 years being at the helm of Burberry, and she's leaving to go to Apple. So the stock is ticking along lower, but that's been a knee-jerk reaction. The shares are up about 29% year to date. That's all for your daily market bite. Tune in for another one tomorrow. Cheers for watching.